Welcome to the most advanced DIY technology today. GF88 is assembling a 150-centimeter-long behemoth Aussie warship that embodies the spirit of modern remote-controlled prowess from its intricate build process to its impressive specs. Join us for a journey that showcases the fusion of innovation and hobbyist passion, ready to see how technology comes to life. Let's dive in. Beginning with the construction of its core form of porexpan, the creator first outlines the airplane-like shape that will define the warship's silhouette. This foundational structure is then meticulously encased in fiberglass and adhered using specials adhesive. As the fiberglass sets, it forms the robust framework of the entire warship. Fiberglass stands out for its excellent strength to weight ratio, providing a strong durable shell for the warship without making it heavy. Its water resistance is ideal for marine models, preventing issues like warping or rotting the materials. Versatility allows for detailed customization and intricate designs. Despite its durability, fiberglass is lightweight, crucial for the Aussie warship's performance. Plus, its non-conductive properties ensure it doesn't interfere with the electronic controls, making it a superior choice for building and operating remote-controlled warships. The RC warship model is a scaled-down replica of the Malaysian Maritime Patrol Coast Guard ship, a key asset in Malaysia's naval fleet dedicated to patrolling and safeguarding the nation's waters. These real-life vessels are engineered for versatility, equipped to handle various missions from search and rescue operations to environmental protection and combating maritime crime. This RC model features 4 distinct compartments designed to house its motors and various electronic systems. At the rear, you'll find the panel room, which is equipped with a dual cover protection system to prevent water ingress. This space is reserved for essential components such as the servo switch, light switch radar, electro-knock speed controller, and calling pump. Centrally located is the motor room, where a 12 volts DC cooling fan is strategically placed atop the motor for optimal temperature management. Adjacent to this is the battery compartment, accommodating 2 batteries. These batteries can be configured in parallel or used independently, allowing for versatile power management separate from the lighting system. At the forefront of the model is the horn compartment, where a 12 volts horn will be installed, completing the mode AIL's operational features. Let's take a moment to spotlight the ingenious creator spearheading this endeavor, hailing from Indonesia. This skilled craftsman helms the GF88 YouTube channel, a treasure trove of content centered around remote-controlled marvels, inside using surface ships, submarines, airplanes, and more. His expertise is evident in each video, offering not just a glimpse into the intricate process of building these sophisticated RC projects, but also providing a comprehensive education on the craft. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a curious newcomer, his channel promises to both captivate and enlighten, making the complex world of RC models accessible to all. Upon completing the final touches and applying a spray paint finish to the exterior, the next step involves thoroughly testing all the previously installed controls within the boat before it's made in Voyage on the Water. As observed, the vessel showcases fully functional lights and cannon systems, along with an engine that operates efficiently at both the bow and stern. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the intricacies of assembling the GF-88 Aussie warship, a project that exemplifies the spirit of innovation and craftsmanship. Until next time, keep exploring and creating.